Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Now you have to scroll down and pick General Management and go to Language and Input. Here, by tapping on Language, you can add some language. So as you can see, Samsung prepared a long list of languages, very wide. I believe all languages are available here. So let me pick, for example, Portuguese. Now you have to select the country, so let me pick Portugal. And now you can either set this as a default language or keep current language as default, and that one will be just an additional one, but I will set it as default. And now you can see that everything, menu, the list of all apps, everything is in Portuguese. So let's go back to the settings to go back to English language, if you obviously want to. So it's the icon of General Management, so let's open it. Then take this icon and Idioma, let's open it. Now you can simply, by swiping up English, set it as default one, so you will still have Portuguese as an additional language. But if you would like to delete permanently Portuguese, just tap on Remove, select Portuguese, and tap on Remove one more time. Confirm it by tapping on Remove. And now only English is your device's language. You can obviously add as many languages as you want to, but only one of them can be a default one. So that's actually it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.